Hello everyone, welcome to Mocha Dishes. Today we are going to be making homemade pizza from scratch. You're going to want to start off by grabbing 5 large tomatoes and putting it at medium to high heat and wait for the water to come to a boil. Once it does, you'll see the skin start to peel off. Once you've taken the tomatoes out of the pot and peeled the skin off, you're going to want to put them in a blender and let it blend. Once you're done with that, you're going to want to grab an oil of your choice. I use my favorite grapeseed oil and add around 100 grams of butter to a pan. While you're waiting for your oil to prepare, you're going to want to grab around 9 cloves of garlic and mince. Once your oil is ready, you're going to want to add around 4 small onions that were chopped and also your minced garlic. You're going to want to saute this mixture until the onions turn light to golden brown. Once you're done with that, you're going to want to add the tomatoes you blended and wait for the mixture to come to a boil. You're also going to want to add 1 teaspoon of salt. You're then going to want to add around 1 tablespoon of oregano. You're also going to want to add around 1 tablespoon of basil. And 5 tablespoons of ketchup. You're then going to want to let it sit on the stove for around 10 minutes on medium heat. You're then going to want to grab 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of yeast, and 1 tablespoon of salt and let it sit for around 3 minutes. And now we are going to be making the dough mixture. For the dough mixture, I grabbed 3 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of oil, and 1 teaspoon of salt. I then added the yeast mixture and let it sit at medium speed until the dough was mixed. To make sure that everything was mixed thoroughly, I grab a spoon and I just make sure all of the other ingredients that are stuck to the side mix into the rest of the dough. Now you're going to want to drizzle a little oil into a large bowl and put your dough mixture in and let it sit for 15 minutes or until the dough rises. Once your dough has risen, you're going to want to cut it into 2 separate pieces. You're then going to want to lay the piece flat and lay it out into a circular shape. I roll the sides of the dough to give the dough a circular shape and for the sides to become crispier. You're then going to want to grab the tomato mixture and thoroughly spread it out throughout the dough. I poke holes in the dough with the sauce on it so that the sauce can penetrate the dough. You're then going to want to add the cheese of your choice. I choose mozzarella. I also added olives. You could really add any topping you like. This was just my preferred choice. You're then going to want to put it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for around 20 minutes. Now for my second pizza, I have my tomato mix, shredded mozzarella cheese, chili peppers, olives, onions, and chicken. Once I'm done putting the toppings on my second pizza, I check on my first pizza and look how beautiful. And there you have it, homemade pizza made from scratch. It's soft, pretty, yummy, and of course, a healthier option than buying it from the store. Hope you enjoyed. Please give this video a big thumbs up, share, and comment any other foods, recipes that you'd want me to make. Thank you so much. Have a great day.